Disclaimer: before downloading any video from YouTube or YouTube Shorts, make sure to check and comply with the platform's terms of service and copyright policies. Downloading videos without permission may infringe on the content creator's rights. Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video on how to download YouTube Shorts. We know that not everyone wants to lose their favorite shorts forever, and that's why we're here to help you download them. In this video, we'll show you how to download YouTube Shorts on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. But before we begin, please remember to comply with YouTube's terms of service and copyright policies. How to download YouTube Shorts. There are different ways to download YouTube Shorts, but let's start with YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio from your channel or click on this link. Select Content from the left column. Choose the short you want to download and click on the three dots that appear above the video when you hover your mouse over it. Click Download and your YouTube short will start downloading for free. If you want to download shorts on Windows or Mac, we recommend using Shorts Save Tube. Go to the YouTube website. Copy the URL of the short you want to download from the YouTube app or the address bar. Paste the link into the space provided and click Get Video. Choose the quality you want and click Download. The download will start automatically and the video will be in your Downloads folder. For Android and iOS devices, the same site works. Open the YouTube website on your mobile device or tablet. Go to the YouTube app, click on Share, and then click Copy Link. Go back to the download page and paste the link. Select the video quality for the download and click Get Video. Click on Download and your short will be saved in your Downloads folder. Conclusion. That's all for today's video on how to download YouTube Shorts. Remember to comply with YouTube's terms of service and copyright policies and get the content creator's permission before downloading or using any video. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our YouTube marketing guide from Metricool to get started with your channel. Thanks for watching.